Let's look at updating our buyer and our planner. So if we go back to our original load, we can select some of the items, take them back to our other sheet. Let's just look at the 001 organization because it's a child org. If we're not sure about the names of the people, of course we can use the data entry form. We're really interested in the planning, and here we can change the planner. We'll go to purchasing, and we'll have Casey Brown. And we'll take this information here. You'll see it's defaulted the item description. We want to do an update on these items. Of course, do update selected. We can download these again and just check that the buyer and the planner information is correct. And you can see that information's been changed. So it's very easy for you when you have someone that leaves or you want to change who's doing what job around your item master.